Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning into a new video. Today I'm sharing with you guys what I picked up in my recent haul from Goldmine Coco. First up, I have the Pay emoji stickers, and this is the Pay in packs orders or ship orders. I can't tell the difference between the two, but they're super cute. Then we have Pay in traveling, and hopefully we'll be able to travel here soon again, but who knows. Just thought I would pick them up. I think this one is the pack and ship. I don't know. It goes with the very first one that I showed. Next up, we have Peyton Gets Paid. And finally, I have the Peyton Recycle stickers. She has all different types of Peyton stickers. They do everything, so you will find something that you need done in a Peyton sticker. So they're my latest obsession. Moving on to the dolls. This month's dolls collection is super cute. It had a black theme, and I love black. So anytime I see a doll that has black, or like that blush color, that last doll that I just showed, and I'm always here for the plus size dolls. I think that the representation of various body shapes and sizes is very important, and Goldmine Coco does a really good job with showing different body shapes as well as skin tones. Moving right along, I love that one doll so much that I had to pick up the kit. The weekly kits are perfect. It has everything you need to plan on one page, which is super perfect. And last up, I got 2 trunk pieces. These are just decorative fashion stickers, and I loved both of these outfit concepts. So that's all I have for you. If you're interested in picking up any of these items from Goldmine Coco, please be sure to go to their website, and you can use my name, my code Plans by Jazz, to save 10% off of every single purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If so, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.